Good morning, grade 4. We are now in a topic about what is technology. This is in page 351 of your book. Scientific discoveries. Scientific discoveries change our lives. The discoveries of bacteria help us develop modern medicine. Discoveries about how electricity works brought us to telephones, computers, refrigerators, light bulb, and many other devices. Scientific discoveries often lead us to a new technologies, and technology is a form of knowledge. It could also be a process. It could also be a product that can solve problems, and it makes our work and life easier. So before the scientist or before a person could do a device, first they need to make a process, okay, a design of a technology for them to start the project. Look at this smartphone. This smartphone is, I think this is in 2015. So this smartphone combines many technologies. Before, the technology of telephone is just for communicating. But now, mobile devices, when we are saying about mobile, you could bring your phone anywhere. Before, telephone is just in the wall, or it is you can only put your telephone in your table, in your desk, in your wall. That is how telephone is made before. But now, since they call it mobile meanings you could bring it anywhere. So this device, you could use it for emailing, you could text messages, you could call, you could use it as your camera, you could record your voice, you could use it for filming. So there are many features that this phone could do. Unlike before, if you want to take a picture, you need to get a camera. If you want to call, you need to have your telephone. If you want to do a recording, you need to bring your recording device. But this is all in one. So is it good, right? Because it makes our life easy. So instead of bringing more devices in your bag, this mobile phone can do many work. Now, let's try to answer number 1. So define what is technology. So we will underline the meaning of technology. So let's underline the word technology here. So technology, it could be a knowledge. Okay. When I say technology is a knowledge, example. Before, people believe that the Earth is the center of the solar system. But some scientists prove that Sun is the center of the solar system. So that is a technology also. That is a knowledge. When we are saying technology as a process, like the process of doing juice. Before, we have fresh juices in our glass. You want to squeeze that orange juice and then put it in the glass. Now, we have a process to make that juice available anytime. So if you want juice, go to the supermarket and then the manufacturer, they put it in the pocket or in the box and then it's available anywhere now. So that is a process of preserving juice and then they put it in a box. When we say product, so mobile is one of the example. Okay? So technology could be a knowledge, it could be a product, it could be a process also. So let's have number 2. Cause and effect. Write one cause and effect that is related to technology. Possible answer here. In this sentence, we could write cause is the discovery of electricity. And then the effect of that discovery is, since we have electricity now, we have mobile phones for charging. We have computers. We have light bulb. Actually, mobile phones, computers, and light bulb is nothing without electricity. Even though you have batteries, that batteries will not work without the charge of electricity. Okay? So a technology could affect another technology. So electricity is one form of technology, and then mobile phones, computers, and light bulb is using that technology. Another one with this one, camera is a technology. Recorder device is a technology. Mobile phone is also a technology, but that technology is inside in this device. So 4 or 5 devices or technology is inside this one mobile phone. Is it amazing? Yes, it's very amazing. It saves space in your bag when you want to go. It saves time. It saves money also. So that is the uh, role of technology in our life. It makes our life easy. So number 3, what can smartphone do beside making calls? We could send email. We could use it in your Clasera. You can do your exam in your mobile, right? You could watch video. You can use it for your if you want to watch cartoons, if you want to watch anything. Okay, you could use your mobile phone. It connects to the internet. But actually, technology also have downside. When I'm saying downside, a negative effect. Many people nowadays, according to the research, there are many people who are having eye problem because of too much screen exposure. Because we use mobile phone 6 to 10 hours a day. The regular time for screen viewing in your mobile phone in a day is 2 hours. But most of us are exposed in longer period of time. That's why we're having eye problem nowadays. Okay, so that is the downside of having the technologies. Now, let's have the timeline. Okay, when we're saying timeline, let's see how does the train evolve from this one, from the old version to the new version. This is what we call the timeline. So the first train is called the steam engine train. How does it work? It is powered by a boiling water. Okay, so the steam engine use steam from the boiling water to move the parts of the machine. Steam engines were soon used to move vehicles. Imagine, girls, the steam of a boiling water could move a train. Yes, this is the technology before. But this train moves not so fast. It moves not very slow, like 40 kilometer per hour. So it's just like a slow moving car. But at least it could help people before, because usually people are using animals to travel. So which is faster, the animal or a train? At the same time, it's hard to travel when you have a lot of baggage, a lot of suitcase. When you were in the train, you could bring your whole family with the whole suitcase. At the same time, the space is bigger, and then it could travel longer than the animal. So it helps the life of people before when it comes to travel. Next to steam train is trains running on steam power were common in 1800s to mid 90s. Next to steam train is a diesel electric train. Okay, so this is a combination of diesel, which is a petrol, combined with electricity. So this train moves faster than the steam train. It could run in the speed of 238 kilometers per hour. Imagine, this train could move 30 to 100 kilometers. This move around 50 kilometers per hour. Imagine, this is fast, 238 kilometers per hour. Speed is just like a sports car. Okay, but there is a new version of this train. We are using this in Saudi Arabia. So this train, we call it as magnetic levitation trains. Okay, this is powered by magnets. This is not powered by diesel or electric, but this is powered by magnetism. especially Japan. I think Saudi Arabia, we have this one here, or we also have diesel and electric here. So this evolution is very important in tourism, in traveling. At the same time, this is also important in transporting goods and materials. Now, let's go to the next page. Technology and transportation system. Transportation system move people and goods from place to place. As I mentioned, not only people are moving to other places, same also with goods. Like example, here in Saudi Arabia, we don't have Apple. The Apple that we have here is from Western country, from United States, from European country, or from Australia. So apples from those country is transported here through the means of different transportation system like airplane, ship, or trains. So that is the use of transportation technology in our world today. Technology has made transportation system faster and safer. Long trips that once took days or weeks may now be taken only in hours. Before Before, when people wants to go to Riyadh, they go by land. They travel by land, and Khobar to Riyadh is 4 hours. But now, by using airplane, you could travel 1 hour or 45 minutes going Khobar to Riyadh. Imagine, that is fast way of traveling. During 70s, steam engine were being developed. So this is the steam engine. That is in 1700s. The first were operated by the machine in the factories and mines. So they used this before to transport coals and other materials for the factories. Another is the invention of the steam engine lead to many other technologies such as the steam-powered train. The first steam-powered train traveled only about 61 kilometers per hour. So as I mentioned, the estimated speed is 50 to 100 to 100. Why? Because this evolution is from 1800 to 90. So as the year passed, they tried to add speed to the train. And then, as people develop better steam-powered train, the train could travel much faster nowadays. So let's try to answer number 5. Many large cities have problems with heavy traffic. What technology might be developed in the future to help solve this problem? Some people could invent a flying car or a car that could transport, or what I mean, a car that could teleport, sorry, a teleport. Number 4, give an example. What are some other transportation system? It could be a car, it could be a boat, airplane, bicycle, and this is motorbike. Okay, so motorbike. So this means of transportation helps us to move and to travel. I will continue this lesson in the next video. See you there.